A skiing trip. Last winter, my family and I went on a skiing trip to the mountains. It was my first time seeing so much snow, and I was very excited. The air was cold and fresh, and everything around us was covered in white. We rented skis and warm jackets, then took a lesson with an instructor. At first, skiing felt difficult, and I kept falling, but I didn't give up. After some practice, I started to glide smoothly down the slopes. It was an amazing feeling. In the afternoon, we took a break and drank hot chocolate by the fireplace. The warm drink made me feel cozy and happy. Later, we built a snowman and had a snowball fight, laughing all the time. By the end of the trip, I had learned how to ski, and I felt proud of myself. It was one of the best vacations ever, and I can't wait to go skiing again next winter.